I can't believe this. Been walking around here, walking through people's yards and everything, no problem, because if you ever run into a fence, you can just walk a few feet and find where the tree fell on it so you can get through. I'm trying to find Jared Nichols' house. If you'll look, everywhere you look is, can't even get far enough away from stuff to show. I mean, this is just somebody's backyard. There's the house. I mean, that tree's down. You can't get far enough away from everything to show the severity of it. I mean, everywhere you look is, I mean, this is unbelievable. Let's see if I can find Jared. I mean, I think that's his house next door. I don't know how to get there. This is just 1 yard to the next. Can't even see where to go. This is where their fence was. No problem getting through, obviously. This is whoever's side yard. Driveway. Front yard. I mean, this is let's see if I can flip this around. No. This is gonna be, this is taller than it looks, just up on the up off the ground. I think that's Jared's house. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. This is bad enough. This is what they, holy smokes. Looking down the street, it came right through here. Jared's must be the one down this way. That's him, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's just power. I'm not sure I want to get close to that. Unbelievable. Jared? Jared?